In today's video, I'll teach you how to delete Base account. So first of all, launch open Base application on your device. You can see over here Base application has been opened. So in the Base app, you'll not be able to find the direct option for deleting your account. But what you have to do is sign out of your account and remove the Base application from your device. This will effectively remove your account. So what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. After you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, settings. Now tap on this option, account management, that you can see at second. After you do that, you'll be able to find this option for sign out over here. Simply tap on it. Now once you do that, this kind of interface will appear. Tap on this option, sign out. Now once you're signed out of your account, what you have to do is close the Base application. After you do that, delete it from the device. For that, open the app library of your device and find the application for Base. Long press on the Base application. Now tap on this option, app info. Once you do that, what you have to do is tap on the uninstall option that you can see on the screen. Tap on the option OK. Now the Base application will be uninstalled. Now your account will be removed. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you delete Base account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.